This video's shout out goes to Lorena Hill. Thank you so much for liking, subscribing, commenting, and just being a loyal subscriber.
Yeet! Ow! Hey guys, welcome back to Perky Tomato, and today my dad is going to be doing a voiceover to a tutorial of this DIY hearing aid. It's inspired by Joss Kendrick's hearing aid. Joss Kendrick is the girl of the year. This is her hearing aid. Well, not really, like this is the homemade one. This is a legitimate tutorial. My dad is going to be doing the voiceover for it, and he's going to be trying his best. And yeah, if you want to follow this tutorial, it's a real tutorial that I made, and he just voiceover. He did not want to do this in the beginning, so please thank you for him doing that. Yeah, it's really easy, super cute, and yeah, let me know if you want me to do a video of my mom doing a voiceover to a tutorial of mine, and I will do one. Let's just jump into the tutorial made by my dad and edited by me, and also the audio is kind of messed up in it, but don't worry, it's not horrible. But he was talking too close to the microphone, but it's okay. So let's go. Yeah.
Hey guys, welcome back to Perky Tomato, and today we're making DIY doll hearing aids. Let's go! So here's what you'll need to make this craft. You'll need a marker, scissors, a square of wax or parchment paper, hot glue gun, glue sticks, paint any color, and a paintbrush, and some scratch paper, and a doll's ear. You also need any type of poster putty, aka blue tack, poster tack. You can get poster putty pretty much anywhere like Dollar Tree, Target, and Walmart. Let's go! Now we're going to use hot glue for our main structure of our hearing aid. Grab your doll, and with our doll's ear, place a small square of parchment or wax paper on it. You'll kind of be able to see the doll's ear through the paper, and we're going to use our marker to trace the outline of the doll's ear. It'll be very easy to do this because of the ear's little edge here. The marker will just follow the ear's curve. Here are some tips for you. If when you trace the ear and the marker leaves ink puddles, just wipe away the tissue. The color of the marker won't stain your hearing aid's color. Another tip is to mold the wax or parchment paper around the doll's ear, making it easier for the marker to just glide and trace. Also try to avoid moving the paper as you trace. Make a small circle where the hole in the ear is. This may take a few tries, but that's okay. If you're right-handed, try holding the paper like this and applying the hot glue. It's going to be a lot easier than moving upwards. If you're left-handed, maybe hold the paper like this when applying the hot glue. Make the circle part in the hearing aid that goes inside the ear after you make the curvy part. Try to keep the line thin. Make the hot glue move quickly. The quicker you are, the smoother the line will be. After the glue has dried, gently peel it off the parchment or wax paper. Try it on your doll. Do you like it? You can make another one with the same paper template. You got this! It takes multiple times to get the perfect one. Making it out of hot glue allows you to bend it to how you want it to fit on your doll. The hard part is over now. Cut a thin strip from your paper. Curl it. You can use your nail or some thin round object. Wrap it around the base of your hot glue hearing aid and glue it in place. And now just simply paint from the paper down. You can use any color paint. And we're done! This craft is easy, super easy, and fun. Just remember to use a piece of your blue tack or poster putty to hold that hearing aid in place. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below because I love talking to you guys. And I will see you in my next video. Bye!
Enjoy the video, watch. Alright guys, that is basically it. Let me know how you think my dad did and if you were able to follow the tutorial, and let me know if you are going to make this if you want, because it's very simple and it's very easy, but it's also very cute. I actually have gotten used to Mindy with the hearing aid on, so I really like this. But yeah, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you like, subscribe, comment down below because I love talking to you guys, and I will see you in my next video, and I will see you there. So, bye! Enjoy the video, watch my hair, subscribe and like the video, and most of all, share the channel. I'm eating chips, by the way.